Well, hello out there in YouTube land. Good to see everybody on this Tuesday. Today, of course, in the knife community, it's known as 2 for Tuesday. So I'm going to show you what I'm carrying for my 2 for Tuesday, along with what else is in my pocket. In my pocket today, I've got a red Rule Number 9 poker chip. Always carry a knife. I had those developed for the community, and I've been sending them around. Then I have my, of course, olive wood pocket cross. Then I have my own VIP brand SPF. This is SPF 15 lip balm, all natural. And that one there is our iced pear flavor. Okay, then I have my 3M tape measure, because you never know. I might pull over on the way home at some store or something, and you don't know, I might have to measure something. You just never know. And then, carrying 2 slips today. This one, of course, from Make Cutlery Great Again, Mike. I think he's about to do a name change for his channel. I don't think it's happened yet. But I think he might be about to do that. So I guess we'll see. And then Jerry Phillips. Jerry's the man. And I'm carrying one of his slips today. Jerry the knife guy, I believe. Something like that. You guys know him. So today's 2 for Tuesday are 2 Bokers. This one here, both are Congress. Both of them, of course, 3-blade. This one is red jig boned, as you can see. It is pretty exquisite. Of course, Solingen Germany. And I'm not going to open up all of them, but, well, let's do, here. Look at that. Half stops. Well, listen to that snap. Okay. That little sheep's foot. Just, again, we all know Germany produces some really nice knives. Then this one here was one I acquired, about a year ago, I guess, in the last year anyways. And this was a rust bucket. So, of course, I showed the before and after. Then I did my cleanup and I showed it. Well, I'm carrying it today. This is another one from Solingen Germany, of course. The real deal. And let's just do this. And as I said, this was a mess. And, you know, I gave it that thorough cleaning job that pocket knife guy does. And she came out. She's got her dignity back. Listen to that snap, you guys. Ooh, pin blade's tough. See the tip there? I do have to fix that tip, which I have not messed with yet. I'm just happy it cleaned up as good as it did. Because it was a mess. So anyways, you guys, these are my 2 for Tuesday. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? So that's all I got, you guys. And hey, if it's the evening and you clicked on this thumbnail to watch the video, you know, I appreciate it too, regardless of the time it is that you watch. Again, if you're new here, definitely subscribe. I'm getting close to that 500 mark, you guys, and I am going to be doing a pretty good giveaway for one person. One person's going to win whatever I decide to throw together, and it's going to be a nice a nice giveaway package for sure. And again, it's just me showing my thanks. I had no clue this page would grow like it is, and you know, it isn't growing as fast as a lot of pages I see, but hey, you know, I'm doing this for fun, and I appreciate each and every one of you. So again, thanks a lot. Cheers from Florida. And you know what we like to say over here at That Pocket Knife Guys channel? What's in your pocket? And there's your daps.